In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access your Amazon account and check your recent orders, providing you with a quick and hassle-free way to manage your online shopping. To begin, make sure you're comfortable and ready to follow along step by step. First off, open up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or another one you're comfortable with, it doesn't matter as long as you're connected to the internet. Simply type in the address bar www.amazon.com if you're using the main site for the US, or head to your respective local Amazon site if you're from a different region. This address will take you directly to Amazon's homepage, which is your gateway into the vast world of Amazon shopping. Once you've reached the site, take a moment to locate the Sign In button. You'll find this at the top right corner of the web page. It should be clearly labeled, easy to spot, and just a click away. Clicking Sign In will prompt you to input your Amazon account credentials. Here, you'll need to enter your email address or phone number linked to your account, followed by your password. Remember that passwords and any other personal information should be kept secure, so make sure you're entering them in a private setting. If you're a frequent Amazon shopper, it's a good idea to store your login information securely using a password manager, which can make this process even simpler in the future. After successfully logging in, the next step is to find your orders. Direct your attention to the top navigation menu where you'll see an option labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover your mouse over this tab, which will make a drop-down menu appear. Alternatively, you can click on it to see the drop-down appear. This menu includes several options that can help you manage different aspects of your Amazon experience, but for today, we're focusing on your orders. Scroll within the drop-down until you find the Your Orders link. Clicking on this will transport you to a comprehensive summary of your order history. It's here you can dive into details about recent purchases, their current status, or even fall down the memory lane of past orders. And there you have it, an efficient way to access your Amazon account and review your order history with ease. Be sure you keep this handy the next time you want to check on a purchase. Enjoy exploring the many facets of your Amazon experience at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!